Hello student, good morning to everyone. Our today's topic is HTML hyperlink through the anchor tag. As you watch at your screen that here is a tag given for the different purpose. I have already taught you about the hyperlinking. You have already watched the video related with the hyperlinking. So for that, today's video explains you the detail about hyperlinking, and there are the different type of hyperlinking, and I have covered all the types of hyperlinking in that program. This is very short program for understanding. Actually, this program has copied by the internet also, but in that program I have already used my own file to describe you very easily. So for that, firstly you have to keep it in your mind that the anchor tag mostly useful to give hyperlinking to a particular word, character or sentence or the numbers. Sometimes whenever you use any website, it can contain more than one pages. At that time you reaches at the different pages directly or by pressing the next button or next word. Whenever you click over that, new page will be open in front of you. For example, if you are interested to listen the music or to download some music files, then that time whenever you work over the website, song website, so that time first page shows you the name of the picture. If you interest to download the songs of that picture, then that time you click over the name of the picture. What happens? That time your mouse pointer over the screen will be changed with the finger, like a finger type of shape. I will show you the practical also student, but just some important topics you should have to know related with the anchor tag. The first important sentence is, whenever your mouse moves over the link part of area over the web page, the mouse pointer will be changed with the finger shape, like that. This is my finger, and like that it will be changed to a finger showing type of symbol. So from that you can easily determine the link. The second important part is, there could be the underline. By default the color of the link is changed with the blue color. And the most important part for using the anchor tag is to directly reach at the particular location. Location can be different type of. You can be reached at directly at the your file. If you want to describe the details about a particular word, then you can give the link there and description at the another web page. What are the uses of hyperlinking? Hyperlinking saves the spaces, means it compress the space of your web page. Means you can show the detail about that inside the word. Means the detail is already hidden inside the word whenever you give the link to that word. And after that, if someone wants to get the detail about that, then he will be click over the word or click over the sentence, then he will get the more information with the next page, the page related with that word only. We will see what is the difference and what are the different type of hyperlinking. Student, you have already aware about the web pages, websites, but the today's topic is mostly important and generally the topic useful to make the website also. You can make your own website with the help of hyperlinking, because hyperlinking can bind the different pages. Whenever there is a collection of web pages, that will gives you the details of the particular page from one single page. When you open any website, then the first page opens in front of you, that will be the home page, and from the home page you can reach at the any pages. Okay, so we will see the detail about that program, and that will describe. So this is the main important part of the HTML. This is the heart of the HTML. So you have to study about this very explanatory form. The three types of hyperlinking is shown directly with the example given in front of you. This is my example. The first anchor tag given to the sentence, this is a link. This is a sentence. You can put your own sentence here. I have already inserted my own sentences. This is a link. This is a, I will write here, this is a Gmail link. Gmail link means whenever I will click over the sentence, then I can directly reach up to the Gmail website. The second hyperlinking I have given, you can use any of the link. I have given you the example. In the single example, there is a three type of hyperlinking. You can take your own decision which type of example you want in your own program. You can use any one of that, but for description today I am explaining all the three types of linking. Okay, so the second anchor tag means anchor tag is similar, but just I have changed the path. This is the path name. What is the syntax? Ahref is equal to path. This is the syntax for anchor tag, and close the anchor tag after any word or sentence or character or number. You can type here character or sentence or word or any number there. As per your need, you can change the web page coding. So we generally call it as HTML document. You can change. So I have given the first link to that sentence related with the Gmail link, and if I want to show image. The second type of link is image link. If I am clicking over the sentence, this is an image link that will be useful to show you the image directly over your screen. And the third type of link related with the file link. I already did not have given the path. I will give the path here in front of you. How can you give the path? How can you copy the path from the original place? Student, we have already discussed the path in the image tag. So you are already aware with the path. In the image tag, we have learned img src is equal to path. That was the path there. And you already know the GIF, JPEG and JPG. These are the syntax related with the image. If you want to display some HTML web page, then you have to put the extension with .html file. I want to show here one HTML web page. So for that, firstly I will take the path. For taking path here, just I will directly open the drives. From that my file is inside the app drive. Student, we have covered the different programs. We have already learned different programs. You can look at the screen. So these programs are inside the app drive, HTML programs for 12th. Inside that, if I want to display this website fonts, so that time just click over that. We have already discussed about that in our previous video in the image tag, but today I am explaining this very easily. Fonts is the spelling and the path, this is the location. So copy the location directly. You will not be done some mistake in that. So for that I have copied the path and just paste here by Ctrl V. You can see path directly paste here that we have copied from the exact location. If you don't know, then again you can create, you can see the original video again and again. After that you will be aware about the taking path. So next step is again reach at that place and copy the name of the file, fonts. This file related with the HTML, so we will write the extension with the .html. So this is the exact path to reach up to the file fonts. So I will save the changes made by me by Ctrl S or press the save button, and then directly I will close the page by Alt F4 and just I will open the file. This is my file we have created right now. You have already aware about the coding part, and after that if I am double clicking over that, what will be the output? This is this is the extra file because my internet is on. Just see the output of that file. This is the output of my file. We have given, this is the Gmail link, this is a image link, this is a file. You can easily see the color of the sentence already automatically changed and underline as given there. If I am moving my mouse pointer, you can see the mouse pointer with the arrow pointer, but whenever I will move my mouse pointer over that word, that is changed with the finger shape. You can see firstly my mouse with the arrow pointer, when I move over the link it will change with the finger shape. Here is not link, here is also not link, here my mouse pointer has changed. If I want to open Gmail link, then I have given the word. You can type your own sentences here. I have typed this sentence. When I am clicking here, what will happen? After pressing this, I am directly reaching at the Gmail website. Again I am getting back